Let's tour this brand new home with a swimming pool and an elevator here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. Today we're touring this fully featured brand new modern home with a wide frontage, an elevator, and a swimming pool. I'm Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and this property has a total floor area of about 355 square meters on a 306 square meter lot. It also has a beautiful facade. Now join us as we begin this tour. Through the pedestrian gate, you have a path here leading to the swimming pool amenity area, and to your right, let's take a look at your covered carport area for 3 vehicles. Now for your convenience, this is a parallel 3 carport area. It's completely covered with a wooden design. You have access here towards the staff areas. You have your first staff room here and your second staff room here on the other side. And now let's head on over towards your main entry. You also have a relaxing landscaped area right here along the front of the house. And here we are at your main entry. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entry, you have a high ceiling space, giving you plenty of ventilation for both levels of the property. And of course, for your guests' convenience, you immediately have your powder room. Refreshing to have so much natural light right upon the entry of the property, and the rest of the property does not disappoint. You have a spacious and open concept living, dining, and kitchen space. You have 2 large split-type air conditioning units already for this main amenity space. You can have your living room set here on this side at the corner of the property. And then here on the other side, you can have a large dining table. And from here, you have a relaxing view of your soothing and tranquil swimming pool area. You have a covered portion right here with a wooden design. And you can just imagine having family and friends over here. And here on the other side, you have an outdoor shower area. So you don't need to go in and out of the house after taking a quick dip in the pool. You have access here all around the property as well. The fixtures are just about to be installed. And let's head on in. Right here, you have your modern kitchen. With a dual level island countertop, and it already has appliances included such as a refrigerator, an Elba branded microwave and oven, as well as an induction cooktop and range hoods. You also have a very modern aesthetic, and you can just imagine having your meals prepped here while having a view of your guests and family and friends out there at the pool area. Now from here, you have your auxiliary kitchen. So a glass panel will be installed right here. And then this is a well-organized auxiliary space which also serves as your laundry area. So this property already has a washer and dryer already included, as well as a heavy wash space, and then a second cooking area, and even a second space where you can have a second refrigerator. So these are things that you no longer have to worry about after purchasing this home. You have access here towards the side of the house, where you have a staff room, and then a bathroom here which serves as the shared bathroom of this staff room and the staff room at the parking area. Let's head on in. I'd like to mention once again that having the washer and dryer already included with the property also saves you the time of sorting out the plumbing for that. That's all sorted out and installed already. So right now, let's take a look at the first bedroom of the property at the ground level. So this is excellent, especially if you have senior members in the family who prefer to stay at the ground floor, or you can use this as a guest room as well, or a playroom or den room. But of course, since you already have a home lift, there's no problem for any age in the family to go up and down the house. And here you have the ensuite bathroom with the shower area. And all 5 rooms in the property already have an inverter split type air conditioning unit. Now, my first impression for this property is, in Tagalog, it's very maaliwalas. It's very clean, polished, and it's very well built. Now, let's head on up towards the second level. Let's go. Here we are at the second level, where you have a wide family hallway. And you also have access, of course, to your elevator from here, and a terrace space overlooking the main entry. As I mentioned before, this space also allows for ventilation between the 2 levels. And you can maximize this space by having a television set on this side and a couch here on this side. It's a nice area for the family to gather as well. So you have 1 room downstairs and 4 rooms here at the second level. And you can see this is really built to be a family hallway, since you have a split type air conditioning unit for this space. And now let's begin with your primary bedroom right here. Primary bedroom is facing the front of the house and has a large picture window, and you have a view of the street. And in addition, this room is large enough to accommodate a large bed, a king-sized bed, and with space left over for additional nightstands as well. On this side, you have your walk-in closet space, and it's large enough such that it has a dedicated split-type air conditioning unit just for this space. Of course, for privacy, you can have curtains installed here. And on this side, you have your bathroom. So you have a provision here for a bathtub if you'd like. And then here on the other side, you have your shower area. The enclosure is just about to be installed as well. And this is such a well-lit space. One thing that I've noticed about this property is, even though it has a very modern look, the feel of the property as you're walking through it feels very homey and cozy. Now let's explore the third room here, right beside the primary bedroom. Now, I like that even the rooms that aren't the primary bedroom have a significant size. Meaning this particular room can even fit a queen-sized bed here at the corner. And it already has a dedicated storage area and an ensuite bathroom. Now all the bathrooms have such a modern and minimalist feel, but at the same time, they still have that elegant touch with the lighted ledges. Now let's take a look here at your fourth room. Now this fourth room can potentially fit a semi-double bed, and then you can have your television here on the other side. There's already cable provision here. You also have built-in storage. And then a bathroom with a lighter aesthetic in terms of the tile colors. Now what I like about this property is that every single room here at the second floor has dedicated storage. So even if you have growing children who are already teenagers, you have space as well, and you can potentially still have a desk here right beside the bed if you'd like to have the bed on this side or on this side. And this being a corner room, you also have plenty of natural light. And right here you have an ensuite bathroom. Once again with that lighted mirror and lighted ledges. Those lighted ledges add a whole other dimension and feel to the bathrooms. Now we're back here at your main hallway space. And now let's cap off this tour in the swimming pool area. For joining us in this tour of this brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque City near Alabang, with an elevator and a swimming pool. This is an excellent find in terms of having complete features for a property in a gated and secure community. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. And you can also send us a message through Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature to our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.